Hello friends, welcome to karmatech, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to add your Bluetooth device to your Mac, whether it's your earphones or some other Bluetooth device. So for that, if you have this icon here, you can click on it and you would see the Bluetooth link here. Or the second option is that this Bluetooth link might be present on your top bar here. If it is, click on it. If it is not, you can find it here. You click on this and it opens a Bluetooth on-off link and the preferences link. So for first time, you click on Bluetooth preferences and this will open a Bluetooth preferences tab. So if on your computer you don't have the Bluetooth link here or in this, then the third option is to go into your system preferences. And here you would find your Bluetooth link here. If you don't find it here, you can search it here and it will highlight where is your Bluetooth link. So you click on the Bluetooth icon and it opens the same window again. In this window, you turn off your Bluetooth by clicking on this link. But make sure before you click your link, you have your Bluetooth device which is to be connected with this nearby and in a syncing mode or in a connection mode. So now you can see that I switch it on and now it has started searching for devices and it has found my Galaxy Buds Plus. To connect it, I simply need to click here and it starts the connection, and now my laptop is connected to my Bluetooth device, which is Galaxy Buds Plus. If you want to disconnect it temporary, you can switch the Bluetooth off. It will be disconnected temporary. You can switch on the Bluetooth again. If you do that, and if you put your Galaxy Buds or whatever Bluetooth device in the connection mode again, so I'm putting it in connection mode now, and now you can see it's connected. If you want to disconnect it temporary, you click on this turn Bluetooth off button. But if you want to delete it permanently, you click here. So it says, are you sure you want to remove Galaxy Buds Plus? If I want to remove, I say remove, otherwise I keep it like that. Okay, so this is how. Now once it is connected here, you can just close this, and from here you can always switch on and switch off. So when you go on this, you can switch it off and then you switch it on, and see now right now it's not connected unless I put my device, which is Galaxy Buds Plus. For Galaxy Buds Plus, so I just need to open the top. So I open the top and it will now try to connect, and you can see it's connected now. So that's it guys, this is how you connect your Bluetooth device to your Mac. I hope you liked this video and this video helped you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. That's it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.